Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a portable spare mattress, this one from Meldoz will be exactly what you need. This is the queen size. It's double high, so it's nice and thick. You barely have to crawl down to get onto it, so it makes it very comfortable for guests of all ages. Now, there's two things that especially stand out to my husband and I. The first one is the size of this bag. Now, I know that seems like an odd thing to be excited about, but it's so spacious. You never have to worry about cramming your mattress back into the bag again. It goes in so easily. The second thing, along the same lines, is the cord goes into the little compartment with zero effort. So they're so generous and thoughtful to the consumer. Now, in addition to those perks, it is very comfortable, it doesn't lose air, and it inflates in about 3 minutes. So this one, you do plug it in, you turn on the inflate, there's 2 compartments that inflate, and then when it's time to take it back down, you go to deflate and it all empties out. You don't need to push the air out, it sucks the whole thing right down flat, so it's easy to fold up and put away. It's made of a nice durable material, so you don't have to be super concerned about puncturing it. If you do happen to have a hole, they do send patches, so that was nice. I definitely recommend this. It's easy to set up, easy to take down, easy to store away and take with you on the go. We've been really pleased with it, but those little details make all the difference in a good air mattress. So I can highly recommend this brand, and that's my point of view.